Hello, and welcome to the library session for Animal Science 2 Spring Quarter 2023. My name is Melinda Livas, and I am one of the STEM librarians at UC Davis. My liaison areas are engineering. However, I am happy to provide a brief introduction to the library's website. First, let's take a look at the structure of this library session. This session has three components. Part 1, I will talk about the basics of the library's website. Part 2, my colleague Sheena Campbell, another STEM librarian, will demonstrate how to search the library's catalog efficiently for ANS2 print books and ebooks. Part 3 will be covered by STEM and animal science librarian Ruth Gustafson, and she will demonstrate how to search the subject database CAB abstracts via Ovid. So let's talk about the learning outcomes for Part 1. Hopefully after this presentation, you will learn how to navigate the library's website easily. You will learn where to find information about the library's VPN Pulse Secure, and you will understand how research guides can help you find literature for any class project. And you will learn how to locate your favorite journals using Journals A to Z tool. So now let's get to the library's main site. In order to get to the library's main site, all you have to do is get to library.ucdavis.edu. So this is the library's main page. Now, in order to access any content when off campus, you must use the library's VPN Pulse Secure. So in order to do that, if you get to the link here, select the tab that says Off-Campus Access, you will get to this page. So if you have not downloaded Pulse Secure, I would highly recommend that you do so. This is the only way you can access content when you are off campus. So select Connect to the library's VPN. And then what you do, you just scroll down until you find information that correlates to your device. So if you keep scrolling here, so here is the section I was referring to. Select your device to get started. So you just find the directions, like I said, that correlate to your device. Select the link and follow the directions and the steps as follows. If at any time you encounter problems when using Pulse Secure, take a look at our VPN help section right here. So you would want to submit a technical support request. So once you select that link, you fill out this form as thoroughly as possible. And once you complete the form as thoroughly as you can, make sure to hit Submit Report. Once you hit Submit Report, the request will get to our ITIS department from the library, and someone will connect with you and help you vet or resolve your problem. So now let's get back to the library's main page. I would like to introduce you to research guides. Research guides are library resources created and categorized by subject areas and have been curated by librarians. So once you get to the main page, select the tab here or the icon that says Research Guides. And if you can select the tab that says Subject Guide, this is where you can get to a list of subjects for a multitude of disciplines. And if you scroll a little bit, you will see we even have a subject guide for animal science and wildlife biology, as I'm sure you will probably use this subject guide quite a bit for this class. Now, we have also created a course guide for this class. So if you select the tab here, Course Guide, and then all you would have to do is look for ANS2 Introduction to Animal Science. This is the course guide that has been created for your class. And during our face-to-face demonstrations, we will demonstrate the utility of this guide. One other resource I'd like to introduce you to is the Journal's A to Z tab. You can use this search tool to find out if the library has access to a specific journal. For example, your professor recommends that you use the Journal of Animal Science to cite your references. Let me show you how to get to the Journal A to Z tool. So you can select Advanced Search. Once you select Advanced Search, scroll to the very top of the page and you see here is the tab for Journal Search. So let's select it. Now we're going to type in Journal of Animal Science and hit enter. Once you hit enter, Journal of Animal Science is accessed online. We do have an online version. So all you would have to do is select available online. Once you select available online, a list of vendors will populate and you can select any of these vendors to actually take a look at the journal online. Now, let's take a look at databases. So we're going to get back to the library's main page. You have access to amazing databases here at UC Davis, and one of those databases is CAB Abstracts via Ovid. One way to get to the database is, of course, to take a look at the guide that we've created for this class. And what you can do is just get to our course guide, ANS2 course guide, and select the link here for databases. And if you scroll down, you will notice that CAB Abstract via Ovid is the first database that you get to. Now, if you are not using the guide at the time and just want to search and figure out how to get to the database, all you would have to do is get to the library's main page, select the tab that says here or the icon here for databases, type in the search box CAB and hit enter. Remember to scroll down until you get to the database that says CAB Abstracts Ovid, as this is the database that has been recommended for your class. So this concludes my presentation for part 1. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate and make sure you contact me. Thank you.